Hello, so I will show you a shortcut that I built on my iPhone. It has one simple goal. So instead of trying to open Notion and then go into the database where I'm keeping my brain dump, I just created this very simple shortcut. So the goal here is it takes an input from me anytime from my mobile phone. I can just type what I want to be reminded of, and then the system takes the full input and then assigns it to a date and then puts it in my database, which is the brain dump. Or in the next day, I can just go in on my Notion and I can see what I have to do. And also, since it's connected to my Notion calendar, this one here, since it's connected there, I can also see them planned on my calendar without having to do any of this manually. So I have the shortcut on my home screen. Now, if I click on Capture to Notion, I will start doing a video or whatever. This is just random, and then done. Now, if I go back to my Notion, you can see here doing video. It's in no time gets scheduled to your Notion. There is one thing that I still need to work on, which is changing the scheduling time. I don't want them to all get piled up for 12 p.m. But this is good for me now because I want to still keep control over when I want them to get scheduled.